Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily install Skype on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Skype, and here you will see it. So just tap on it. Now just tap on get, and just here you will see, just use double click to install. So now you just need to wait some time. So here you can see name of this Skype for iPhone. So here you can see it. So how it looks like. So now just wait until it will successfully download and install it on your phone, and you will be able to use it. So after it will install this app, just sign in with your email, with your login and password, and it will work. So just wait until it will install it. So now just tap on open. So now just need to tap on sign in or create. So if you have existed account, so just sign in with your account or just create new account if you haven't. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.